Hey, I'm sure you've heard that April showers brings May flowers, but did you also know that May showers bring June mosquitoes? It's true. So why not stop those bloodsuckers from ruining the summer before they even grow wings? All thanks to Dr. Doom's 90-day mosquito larva killer. In order to reproduce, mosquitoes need standing water to lay their eggs. Think of a pond, rain barrel, or any amount of water that isn't flowing. Within 48 hours, the eggs hatch and out pops a gross-looking wiggly thing. This is the mosquito's larva stage and is the easiest time to deal with them. How these briquets from Dr. Doom work is very simple, as they contain an ingredient called novaluron, which becomes activated when it touches water. Novaluron is a pesticide that prevents the larvae from evolving into its mosquito form, thereby stopping those bothersome buzzers before they even get airborne. Tossing one of these larva killers into any standing water will give you protection for up to 90 days. And because novaluron only affects the larva state of insects, it's safe for birds, fish, and any other animals that may happen to drink from the water. You can even plan ahead by placing a briquet in areas that are prone to pooling after a rainfall, like rain gutters or that pile of old tires behind the workshop. And if some crafty little mosquito finds a secluded puddle and gets their eggs to hatch, no need to fear, because at Gregg's, we've got all types of repellents, coils, lamps, and even head nets to help control and deter them from feasting on you. So go out and enjoy your summer by bringing the fight right to those annoying bloodsuckers' homes with Dr. Doom's 90-day mosquito larva killer. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good week.